We're coming to the end of this wall now, so for the purpose of this video we're going to use a finishing profile commonly known as an end cap or an end trim. So what we need to do is measure what we've got left here. It's slightly shorter than a full panel. We've got 245 millimeters here. So to fit the last panel, we've cut the edge profile to size. So what we will do now is clip that on. A nice snug fit. Take off the protective film. Turn the panel over. Adhesive the panel and make sure a bit of adhesive touches the trim. This is the last panel. Slot into position. It's got the end cap on. And that's the nice end profile to give you a neat finish.